Perfect fit. Each container stores a 5-pound bag of sugar, flour or other baking staples. Snap-tight closure. Each container has an easy access, hinged, flip open and snap-tight lid. Durable easy care, made of dishwasher-safe plastic. BPA-free. Stay fresh, keeps contents fresh and recipe ready. Home X is a registered trademark of Simply Home Solutions. Very sturdy and easy to clean. This are made very sturdy and are easy to clean when needed. I also like they are made out of thick plastic. I live in a rural area out in the country where you have mice and other things that like to invade your pantry. No worries about mice getting in your flour or sugar, and ants are always a problem. With the lids you have extra security. We have used this products before and really appreciated how they stood up for many years. We had to replace them with these because the other ones mysteriously disappeared from our house with the flour and sugar and the original containers. Somebody must have thought they were constructed very nicely also. The new containers are good for storing your flour and sugar, and I would highly recommend them. The delivery was quick and they came in great condition, and were exactly as advertised by the seller. Had no problem giving them 5 stars. I would definitely shop from them again and would recommend them to my family and friends. Top reviews from the United States.